forming good habits is another one. Like good habits are really hard to keep over the long term. Working out twice a week, eating right, not drinking too much, not just buying everything I want all the time now that my bank account has enough money in it to do that. And it's just discipline. It's not easy. Like I'm not the best at it. I'm not. But another thing is like so many people are radical. They get into something and they're super radical about it. Okay, I want to be healthy, no alcohol. I want to be healthy, work out every single day. I want to get rich, work 70 hours a week. That's how a lot of people think. It's like all or nothing. And what I've learned is that's not sustainable. It's not sustainable over the long run. So you want to be fit over the long run, get a workout routine that takes 20 minutes and do it twice a week. Get some good tasting healthy food and eat it when you can, and then eat at restaurants sometimes. It's just balance. And like it's way more sustainable over the long run. And so my goal is just to be a balanced person. Like I want to be balanced. I don't want to be dependent on a certain schedule. I don't want to be, super limiting in what I like and what I don't like, and a health freak to where I won't eat at restaurants with my friends or have 7 beers when I'm with family members having a great time. It's all about balance.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.